Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So continuing to the previous class, create subassembly from polyline. We will add today how to add code to subassembly shape. Same like previous, I will draw polyline over the structure I want to calculate material for. Then I will give name to my subassembly. From the name, you must give different name to your structure. So for calculation of material, then you will know. I will add shape, and to this shape is now currently uncoded, so I will add code to this shape. Suppose I will give concrete name to this shape, and I will select. As it will attach a code, the color of the shade will change. And now if I will check, this shape is coded. Okay. Now I will specify origin. So it will attach exactly from where I want to attach this. For the other part, I will draw polyline. Suppose you have to calculate 2 or 3 different type of material in your subassembly. So how you will calculate? For the other parts, you will also draw same polyline like previous I draw. And then copy this polyline outside. Click on it, create subassembly from polyline, same like previous, and give a different name. The name of your structure, rep, anything you want to add, and define a origin. So it will attach exactly where you want to your subassembly. Assembly. Now select all the shape, and its shape will hatch. Now add code to the shape. Enter anything your structure name and click on it, and this color will change. Now these two structure have different shape and code. I will now create assembly. So I will attach these two structure subassembly to my assembly. Now I will first attach this subassembly to my assembly. You see, from the origin it's connected to assembly. Now the other structure, and the same where I specify the origin is connected to assembly. If I will go to assembly properties, I will check the shape. The code will not be here, it will be in non-coded, because I will import these two structure code to my assembly, and you see down the downside, these two appear here at the last. If you have non-code shapes, you can attach hash to them also from there. Okay. Now if I will go to assembly property, you will see these two code which I have attached. It will come here, concrete, and the other one, but the style is still no hash shading or no label style. From here I can create the style for these two. You can give already existing, and you can create new one. For the first one, what will I do? I will attach an existing style, anyone from any style that you want, you can attach to your shape. Suppose I will add this one, and for the concrete I will create new. How you will create new? You will click on this arrow, create new, give name to this shape, and from the display you can change color from here, hedge, uh, anything you want you can change from this. There are different options you have. You can custom your, you can browse, you can change many things here as you want. You can try later on this, and I will create this. Now this concrete I create one new and one existing, and you see now my both of the shapes have code and different color. So if you will attach this to cross section, this you in the cross section you can calculate different quantity per